In this video, I will show you how to request Google to index a page in your website in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my website builder in Hostinger, and first visit your website just like that. Now locate the page you want to index. For example, let's say I want to index this page in Google. Copy the page URL, then go to Google Search Console. Fill in your page URL here and hit enter. As you can see, this page URL is not on Google, and to request Google to index it, just click on this request indexing link. As you can see, my request was added successfully. Now click on dismiss. To check if this page was indexed successfully after some few days, you can just copy this link and search for site, 2 dots, and your page URL. It should be appearing here. And this is how to request Google to index a page of your website in Hosting.